In this video, I will show how to create timeline in Excel. Firstly, guys, you need this sample data. Pause the video and create this type of data and make changes as your requirement. I will show you from start. We have this sample data. Now click anywhere and select this time column. Now press and hold Control and select this second column. Then insert and in the chart select this column. Now drag and adjust the size for this timeline. Now here you can make some changes. So firstly, click on this plus icon. In data labels, options, and select value from cells and select this milestone column. Then here click on OK. You can add or remove this value and click anywhere. Now here you can make more changes. You can remove this guideline. So select and delete. Now here you can change this bar format. So select any bar format and shape fill. So select no fill. Click anywhere. Now again click on this plus icon and error bars. Here select these more options. Select minus percentage. So type 100 and click anywhere. You can remove this value line. So select and delete. Right line, select and delete. And here you can make more changes. Select and bold, size and color. Order. Once you select any element, you can change stylish on that one. Like you want to change this middle line, this border. So select it or double click on it. So you will see these all options. So lines, solid color, and select your desired color. And here you can change the width and height, size. like this. So this way you can create timeline in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.